All aboard!
Yes! Going back to Main Street Station, but before we do, we're gonna make a detour to the
Adventures!
Hey everybody, welcome back to KDM Adventures.
I'm Kai.
And I'm Kai's dad.
And today we are going to Disneyland on day 3.
That's right, we are going to Disneyland and Disney California Adventure, and it's our third day here on this adventure. So we're gonna go see some things that we haven't seen yet. So why don't you guys come along for the adventure? Ready?
Yes.
All right, so we're gonna do the short walk over from our hotel and go through downtown Disney. We're gonna try and catch the monorail as our first ride in. Sound good?
Yeah.
All right, so here we go, adventuring out to Disney. All right, YouTube, so on our short walk from our hotel, the Westin, we walk through downtown Disney. So here we are, downtown Disney. We're about to walk right through there, and they have a lot of nice shops and stuff like that. We'll show you a few bits of it while we're walking through. YouTube, so like I mentioned, we're going through downtown Disney on our way to Disney today on day 3, and one of the places that we noticed that Kai wants to stop at is
Star Wars Trading Post.
yes, the Star Wars Trading Post. So we're gonna go check this out, show you guys what it's all about, see if we can find anything that looks interesting, and do some adventuring. Ready?
Yes. It's adventure time.
That it is. Here it is, the Star Wars Trading Post that we're adventuring through today. Right in the beginning of the day, walking through downtown Disney. Ooh, so it's basically a store. There are all kinds of goodies in this store. What's that?
You can make your own lightsaber. Whoa! I see some new stuff over there. Let's go check it out.
What do you see?
I see some new Star Wars action figures. Look at that.
This one right here?
And the battle droid.
Oh, jeez.
I know, right? We saw that.
What? That is amazing.
Who's this guy right here?
Oh, I don't know.
He's the repair
Baby
guy, I think.
Frick.
It says Babu Frick. Wow. Do you have this guy already? CB23?
Yeah, but it's a different one.
Oh, but you don't have the pit droid.
I don't
oh, look,
have
it's
the pit.
Roger.
Yeah.
And who's this guy?
That is...
K71R. Whoa, that's pretty cool. So they got a battle droid set. That's new.
I want to get that so bad.
Well, why don't we take a look around and see what else they got?
Yeah.
Look at that one. What does that one have? Oh, that one's got characters in it. Ooh, oh, look. So it's that R5 astromech. Oh, these are guys. The R5 is from what? Where's he from?
Weather resistance.
That's right. And are we gonna ride that today?
Yes.
Yeah, we're gonna try and ride that today. Wow. There's Mouse Droid, General Hux, and First Order AT-AT driver. All right. Well, I think that other one seemed a little more interesting for you because it has more droids. What do you think?
Yeah.
All right.
Yes. It's all just droids.
I know. That's your favorite droids.
Yeah.
Look, we can even get Starbucks from here.
Yay!
No, just kidding. It's just a cup. This interesting cup here.
Look, Bad Batch.
Oh yeah, I got some more
Stormtroopers.
little characters.
Some stormtroopers.
They're stormtroopers?
Yeah.
Okay. They got artwork stuffs. Which one's your favorite?
That one looks pretty cool.
This one's pretty cool. It's like a whole panorama of different Star Wars series.
That one looks up.
That's an epic battle scene right there.
That's a battle scene too.
Well, yeah, I guess it is kind of a battle scene. This is, I think, all the movies combined.
Really?
I think so. All right, YouTube. Well, that's pretty much all this store has to offer. So we are going to get that, except we found something else. What is this? Lots of different helmets. Those are kind of like the Iron Man helmets, sort of, except for they're not electronic. We're gonna go check out Droid Depot today because we're debating on whether or not we're gonna get socks or something from Droid Depot, right?
Yeah.
Ready to go ride the monorail?
Yeah.
Yes. Let's do it. Ooh, we noticed something on the way out. It is Pilot Rex and not DJ Rex. What? You never got to see Pilot Rex because you didn't get to see the original Star Tours. So now it's C-3PO, but it used to be this guy here called Pilot Rex.
Really?
That's where DJ Rex came from. He used to be a pilot.
What? And now he's a DJ?
And now he's a DJ. He retired from flying.
I used to be a pilot, but I never took off.
That's pretty much him. All right, here we are. We are on at the entrance to the monorail. You excited?
Yeah.
Yeah, buddy. has arrived. Are you ready to get on?
Yeah!
We're gonna get on the monorail. Hopefully we get on this one. We're not sure yet. We have to wait and see. There's quite a few people here today. Actually, it's not too bad. All right, you two, we made it safely on the monorail. We are going to ride this to Disneyland.
Did you bring a special guide with you?
Yeah.
Great. Oh, we brought an Akado. One of the Akados that we got from Series 3 Power Storm blind boxes. This morning we opened up a few of those. So check out that video.
And we got some good ones.
We did get some good ones. Alright, Disneyland, we made it here on the monorail and we're about to get off here Tomorrowland. Ready?
Yeah.
So we just got off the monorail and below us is Nemo, which is currently closed. They're refurbishing it, so it's kind of neat to get a look at it while we're up here since they're closed. They're currently testing it. They should be opening it soon. So probably by the time you guys adventure down here, they will have it open. Hey Kai, can you try using the force on this gate, opening it?
Yeah.
Almost. Try it again.
That's the same guy.
No, he's not.
All aboard!
Welcome aboard the Disneyland
That was
Railroad.
pitiful.
For your safety-
All right, you two, we got on the train.
Welcome aboard the Disneyland Railroad.
You're riding on the train. I can't wait to get to Joy Depot. I can't wait to get to Joy Depot. I can't.
It looks like Kai wants to go to Joy Depot. So after the train, I think we're headed there.
Joy Depot. Here we go. Bye bye, YouTube. We're going to another cave, YouTube.
They overshot the ramp, so we have to go backwards. We've never been backwards before on the Disneyland train.
All aboard! Going back to Main Street Station, but before we do, we're gonna make a detour to the
All right, this is our stop. We're gonna get off so we can head to Galaxy's
New
Edge.
Orleans Square.
Ready?
For those staying on board, we kindly ask you.
All right, you two, we made it to Star Wars Land and we're about to go on Rise of the Resistance. Are you ready for this?
Yes.
Yeah, all right, so we're gonna get into line here, which is gonna be a little bit of a line, and then we are going to get on the ride. But we made it to Star Wars Land. Okay, so we just got in line for Rise of the Resistance, and this is one of Kai's favorite rides. So we always try and ride this when we come. Hey YouTube, we're moving towards the inside. It's hot outside, and we're finally getting some shade here, so this is nice.
And air conditioning.
Yes, and there's a little bit of air conditioning in here. So that's cool. It's decorated this really well. So if you guys are adventuring, you should definitely try and get on. Right?
Right.
Yeah.
Now head into this system.
Ready?
Your outpost on Batu is
We are
no
ready
longer
for
safe.
this resistance
We have
mission.
transports with
All right, YouTube, the door's open. We're gonna get our mission done. Ready? It's an X-Wing. All right, we're boarding the ship, YouTube. We're inside of the transport ship. You ready? We're about to take off. Here we go.
Signal. Are you spotting anything? Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. Yeah, what do you got? There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields. We got company. First order
Oh
attack.
no, we're under attack.
TIE fighter.
Transport can make a jump.
This doesn't look good, YouTube. It's not looking good for us.
I'm gonna try to draw them away. Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump. Be ready. You won't have much time. Where are all those TIE fighters coming from? Star Destroyers.
Oh no, it's a Star Destroyer.
We're caught in a tractor beam. He's pulling us in.
We're doomed. They caught us.
Don't worry, I'll come back for you. Stay strong. Is there anything we can do right now? No, the tractor beam will be too strong. It's worth a shot. Full reverse. This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, Resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
They'll want the location of our
It's not
secret
good.
base.
We got captured. They took us in. Remember what she said.
May the force be with us.
And don't tell them anything. Uh-oh. They caught us. We gotta get out. They're telling us we gotta get out, so we better go.
No. This isn't good.
Man, look at all these stormtroopers, Kai, my boy.
Your whole unit will stay together on the right side of the two lines up ahead.
Okay, thank you. They said we gotta stay to the right. Oh boy. We are in trouble. Alright, he said for us to stay to the right.
I have a plan.
What's the plan?
Maybe we'll tell them that we're someone else.
We'll have to what?
We'll disguise ourselves
We're gonna disguise ourselves?
and tell them that we're someone else.
Okay, well, we can try it. Are you gonna tell them then? Okay, you tell them that we're someone else.
We are the First Order room service.
Room service? First order room service, we got some pizzas. They ordered some galactic pizzas from Pizza Port, huh? All right.
Hi, we are First Order room service. We are delivering pizza from the Galactic Port.
That's good to hear. I appreciate the hard work.
Oh, good.
Only
They said that was good, YouTube, that we are doing some hard work and delivering pizzas. But they didn't let us off. We're still stuck.
Darn it. I wish that would have worked.
Me too.
But we will get off.
We're just gonna have to obey them. And hopefully, you guys send the message, right? Send out a message to our buddies, our rebel buddies. All right, they told us we gotta stand right here on the blue, so here we are on the blue. Are you sending the message? You're prepping to send the message? Did you get it sent? You given the coordinates?
I am trying to access the core so we can unlock the ship and we can destroy the
Okay.
First Order.
Okay. Did you get it done?
Almost.
Okay, it's done? All right, good. So now we just got to send the message? Did you send the message?
We send it inside.
Oh, you're going to send it? Okay, well, okay. So you just prepped it to send it right now?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's over there.
Oh, there's another one here. No?
It's over there.
Okay.
The resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Uh-oh, Kylo Ren just...
I hear something. My neighbors. They're gonna free us.
Alright, we're with resistance. Here to get you guys out of here. Let's go.
Oh boy, here we go. Oh, they got the message. We're blue. Here we are, blue. Oh, look at this guy right here. One more over. Sorry, right there. No,
You're still here? I was coming back with an attack force.
Okay.
Get to the escape pods now.
That's Daddy's.
What time, Greg?
We're on the transport. Ready? Actually, what is this? What is this called? We got R5 here. Who's gonna help us get out of here? Ready?
Yeah. R5, take us to where we need.
We're secure. We're ready to go. You ready for this?
Yes.
All right, R5.
All right, R5, let's go.
We're gonna be okay. We're gonna make it through this.
Take this corridor to the triple lift, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety,
Here we go.
securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. Drone droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners. We don't reach it until you walk
Cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
If anyone's packing a blaster, now's a good time. The floors!
Wait, why are you going up?
I said down, up is bad.
That doesn't look good. We got through that one barely.
The resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields.
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm. All personnel to their stations.
They got the message. They're here to save us.
Brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
Oh, Kylo Ren's side. Oh, get him, guys. Shoot him. Ooh, I think we got him. Oh, I think we're safe in here. Oh, good. Oh, they didn't come after us. You got him.
to escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the resistance.
Recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. I know. Scan for response beacon.
Oh, YouTube, we made it.
Beck! Oh,
And there's Beck.
I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism,
Oh,
the location
what an
of the
adventure that was.
resistance base
We
is
made it,
secure.
YouTube. That is an awesome ride. You definitely have to check that out.
R5, you too.
All right, YouTube, we just got to ride the Resistance, and that was a super awesome adventure. Now we are headed to
Droid Depot!
That's right, Droid Depot. We're gonna go check out what they got over there and see if they have anything that will be something that we would like to get to show you guys and do an unboxing
I
on.
remember those like mini like boxes of droids.
Yeah, we have a bunch of those droids already, right? So I don't know if we're gonna get any of those, but we'll see what they got. Ready?
Yeah.
Here we go, on the way.
Oh, Stormtrooper!
Where? Oh, they got, oh, right there they are. There's the Stormtroopers. Should we head to Droid Depot?
Yes.
Right, YouTube, so we're headed over to Droid Depot, and this is one of Kai's favorite places in the whole Star Wars galaxy.
Droid Depot.
That's right. And we have quite a few of these droids already, but we always stop by, see what they have. So here we go.
Yeah.
Droid Depot. And here we are in Droid Depot.
Daddy.
What? Who? Babu Frick. But he's not a droid, so I don't know. How do you feel about that?
He looks kind of cute.
He does look kind of cute, but he's not a droid. And I think, what do you think? Would you rather have, would you rather have socks? You don't know yet? Okay, we'll find out. Let's see what else they got. So in Droid Depot, you can build droids here. We've already done that before, so we're not gonna do that today. But you definitely should try that out if you're adventuring here. These are a bunch of pieces for your droid that you can build. Sometimes Kai gets droid pieces, right?
And look in there.
Ooh, yeah, look at that. Those are all real droid parts.
All right, let's go check on the other side.
Let's do it.
That's a cool mug.
It is kind of a cool mug, isn't it?
Look. Who's this guy? BB-8 upcycle droid. So it's BB-8, but he's upcycled.
Yeah, he's not recycled. He's made better.
Oh, whoa.
What'd you decide? Are we gonna get socks? Are you gonna get socks?
No.
No? We're gonna get the droid pack? So you're sure? No socks then?
I'm sure. I'm sure.
You just want the droids?
Yes.
All right. All right, YouTube, so Kai made his selection. So we are going to get these droids and we will unbox them a little bit later so you guys can see what they're all about.
Yeah.
All right, YouTube, we found out you can do something new here at Disney. Maybe it's not new, but we found it's new to us. And what it is you can get these pins like that. And then you can trade them around the park at different locations for something that you may want. So you can buy pins, and if you don't get something you want, you may find it on one of these pin boards. So we're gonna trade this one there because we don't want that one that Jordan gave to us. And we are gonna go trade it for something that we do want. Ready?
Yeah.
All right.
Let's go.
Oh.
I would like to trade this for Dale.
Oh, okay. So there you go. You gotta take the back piece off. There you go. What do you say?
Oh yeah.
What?
Thank you.
All right. Thank you. All right. Look at that. You got your first pin.
Dale.
And that's how that works. It's very simple. We will be adventuring more with the pin trading. YouTube, it's hot today and now we're getting hungry for some lunch. So we're gonna go try and find a place that has air conditioning. And I think what we've settled on is a place called Plaza Inn. So we're gonna see what they have there. There's air conditioning, so that's enough. All right, we have arrived at the Plaza Inn. I believe they have good food and air conditioning. There's the menu. They got specialty chicken, pot roast, penne pasta, chipotle pine. Alright YouTube, it's getting close to the end of the day and the park is closing and we are going to try and get onto Casey Jr.
Yes.
You and the teacups and Star Tours. I don't know if that's gonna happen or not, but we're gonna see.
No, they're not younger, but
And
so
we
Sutter is like
are at Casey Jr. right now because Kai loves Casey Jr. He's been loving Casey Jr. ever since he was a little baby.
They have to sign.
So we're excited that we get to ride Casey Jr. and Kai still is enjoying it. So
This is my very special ride, and so I was kind of like.
yes, it is. Yes, it
These are our rules.
is. Here comes Casey YouTube. You ready? I'm gonna sit over here.
Now present for you the one,
What are we doing,
the
Kai?
only, Casey Jr.
Here we go.
Casey Jr.'s coming down the track with the smoky snack.
How was it?
Good.
Is it still one of your favorite rides?
Yeah.
All right. Those teacups are awesome. All right.
Alright.
What do you have there?
Big Hero 6. Oh,
Big Hero 6 what?
pins.
Oh.
Alright, let's see if I get. I got the 2 blind bags. Let's hope I get one. I want Baymax.
You're looking for Baymax? Well, who can you get? Let's see who you can get. All right, I'll look. Let's see. You can get these guys here.
I want Baymax.
Baymax, Baymax 2.0, Hero 2.0, Hero again. Some other people. Who is it?
Wasabi, that's
Oh,
good, sir.
Wasabi.
Wasabi.
Let me see. Look at that. We got Wasabi here. Wasabi 2.0.
Fred.
And Fred. Awesome. Fred's one of the cool guys, right?
Yeah.
So wait, who were you hoping for?
I was hoping for Baymax.
Baymax. Oh,
Just only
well,
Baymax? Nobody else?
that's okay.
Baymax or Hero?
Well, that's who we got.
Okay, so are you gonna hold on to those guys?
You can trade them away, right?
I'm gonna trade him.
Tomorrow, and we're gonna go to the pin trading place tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
The pin trading place is in downtown Disney. All right, YouTube, that's the end of our adventure for today, day 3 at Disney. So we hope you enjoyed the adventure.
We enjoyed having you along, and whatever your adventure may be, always remember to have fun and keep adventuring.
KDM Adventures.